Welcome to Wall Street Sizing Up. We're glad you're here. You know we're the only channel that helps you profit off insider trading of the hedge funds. Today it's stocks to watch, guys. We're going to go quick. We're going to go fast, so you got to keep up. Now, again, we're giving you the large, sized up stocks that hedge funds are trading in for the last 2 days. But again, these are not the premium stocks that we sent out to our SMS alert subscribers, right? We sent out 15 alerts, 15 stocks. Depending on where they got in, they got 4% to a 22% uplift this week. If just depending on the price, if they invested or if they didn't. But that would have been about the average. So good week for them. And I'd like to say hello to all the new premium SMS alert subscribers. So with that, guys, we are going to jump into some hedge fund holdings that we did not name in the alerts because they weren't up to our standard and didn't have the momentum or didn't have the price target or didn't have something that we didn't like, right? There's only 3, and then we're going to talk about long-term with Cathie Wood and ARK Invest. So on the screen, you'll see it there. We're starting with IGM Biosciences, IGMS. That's IGMS. They were sized up by Baker Brothers Advisors. They only took 50,000 new shares, but they have a 3.2 million share position, right? Which is over a $320 million position dollar-wise. So again, you'll see it was a big pump. It does have an $83 target on it, which is lower than where it is now. So clearly it is overbought and it is now on the downside of a pump, and that is why we did not like it for our premium subscribers. Next up is going to be, see on the screen, Connect, I believe is the way you say that. Connect Biopharma, KNTE, that's KNTE. Currently at $41. It's down 8% today, but one of the premium, one of the best biotech investors got into this one, Seven Borho, but OrbiMed Advisors is top of the food chain when it comes to any type of biotech or pharma investment. They sized up on KNTE almost 4 million shares, 8% of the company. I cannot tell from their filing where they got in. I really can't. They screwed it up, maybe intentionally, I don't know, but you can see on the chart it is absolutely sliding. There is no price target. And as far as their drugs go, I could not see anything on the FDA dates that were set up yet. So now the next one is VAPO. Now VAPO is I actually like VAPO, and I almost sent it out as an alert. Hound Partners sized up here. Hound Partners sized up almost 2 million shares. Those 2 million shares are worth about it's about $55 million position here. He did get a 13% pump, right? But it's sliding on the backside, and that's kind of why I didn't like it. I do like the price target though. Price target's $42. It's currently trading at $25. So that's good. I again didn't see a whole lot of news on Biopharm Catalyst, and so I did not give this to the premium subscribers, but I'm giving it to you. I do like this stock though. I actually do. I think that it's got, when you go through the financials and the ratios, it's not a bad stock. So with that said, those are 3 that we found. We also liked, or kind of liked, DPCM and OGI, those tickers and those stocks that hedge fund sized up in as well. So there you have, there's 5 stocks that hedge funds sized up on that the premium subscribers did not get this week. But let's also talk about ARK Invest. So ARK Invest, again, Cathie Wood is the primo investor of our time. She runs 7 ETFs. All of the 7 are over 40% for the year from what we can tell. Again, it's called ARK Invest. Cathie Wood is the manager, if you would, and these are going to be long-term holdings that she continues to acquire and buy shares in. First up is BEKE. BEKE, that's Key Holdings. She bought $40 million more of that position. Next up is RHHBY. That's RHHBY is a ticker for Roche Holdings. Roche is spelled ROCHE. So Roche Holdings, but the ticker is RHHBY. She added $29 million to her position there. I believe she got back in Zoom. That's what it looks like. ZM is the ticker. She bought $37 million for, we believe, another new position, because we know that she had it before. She bought into TAK, that's Takeda Pharma, $35 million more added to that position. EXAS, which is Exact Sciences, that's $43 million that she added to that position. And then here are some, TDOC she added to, DOCU, DOCU, and Raven, RAVN, she added as well. But here's some new ones. Regeneron, she got back in that one, REGN, from what I can tell. John Deere, I think that's a new one for her as well. I could be wrong. Fact check me on that. That's DE. She added to her position. She added Google, GOOG, and Castle Biosciences. She has been buying that recently. That's CSTL. That's a very interesting stock. You ought to look at that one. And then CRM is Salesforce. She bought them as well. Again, those are long-term investments. Long-term to her is for at least 6 months, right? She usually keeps these about six months, unless there's some macro event that takes place. So that said, guys, if you would like to subscribe to the premium SMS text alerts that we gave out this week, again, there were 15. Go to sizingup.co, sizingup.co. You can find them there. And with that, guys, we're done. So watch your six, go hard in the paint. Cheers. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you. Well, good day, good evening, and whatever time it may be. We hope you enjoyed that video as much as we enjoyed making it. Please hit the like or the subscribe or leave a comment, because we love that feedback. And you know what we say. At the casino, you got to watch your six, and you go hard in the paint, guys. Cheers. We'll see you next time.